Hello everyone, I am Aisha Aulia. In this video, I'll be discussing two important topics in the world of technology, computer and hardware. Computer are tools we use every day, whether for learning, working, or communicating. But did you know that a computer would function without the hardware that supports it? Let's dive into what computers are, what hardware is, and how both work together to make a computer run smoothly. In this digital era, computers are no longer a luxury but an essential tool that simplifies various aspects of human life. Whether in the office, school, or home, computers play a central role in complicated daily tasks. But what actually is a computer and how does it work and what are its main functions? Let's dive deeper, and first I will explain what a computer is. A computer is an electronic device designed to process and manage data quickly and accurately. With its complex function, a computer is capable of processing information, storing data, and presenting results that can assist users in various activities, from reading and calculating to designing. Every computer has two main parts, hardware and software. These two work together to perform the computer function. Hardware refers to the physical parts like the monitor, keyboard, CPU, and mouse. Software is the program that controls how the hardware works, such as operating system and application. With both working together, a computer can carry out commands and support various user needs. Types of computer. Computer come in various types and sizes depending on their function and purpose. PC, used for personal needs such as studying, working, or gaming. Mac, Apple manufactured computer that run on the Mac OS operating system. Desktop, a computer meant to stay in one place like at home or in a office. Laptop, a portable computer that can be carried anywhere. Tablet, a compact touchscreen device used for browsing, reading, or watching videos. Server, a special computer that serves other computers in a network for storing data or managing internet access. Embedded computer, a small computer built into other devices such as washing machines, ATMs, or smart cards. Supercomputer, a highly powerful computer used for scalable research with processing and simulation. Definition of a computer and its components. Experts define a computer as an electronic device capable of performing calculation and data processing. Its main components include CPU, the brain of the computer, executing, executing, and processing data. RAM, temporarily storing data, affecting the computer speed. Storage, hard drive or SSD, or for long-term data storage. Input or output, device like keyboard and mouse for input, and monitors and printers for output. Function and benefits of computer. Computers serve various important functions in daily life, including data processing. Computers can process large amounts of data quickly and generate accurate information. Communication. Computer enable you to connect with others around the world through the internet, speeding up communication. Data storage. Computer can securely store amounts of data and provide easy access. Multimedia processing. Computers are used to create multimedia content such as graphic design, video, and animation. Simulation and modeling. Computers allow the simulation of complex scenarios in various fields, such as science, engineering, or even training in conditions that will be different of decision in real life. Types of computer based on usage. Computer can be categorized based on their usage. Number 1. Personal computer. Used for everyday task uses as data processing or browsing the internet. Number 2. Laptop. A portable computer that is flexible and can be used anywhere. Number 3. Tablet. A compact touchscreen computer ideal for like activities. Number 4. Server. A computer specifically designed to manage and serve other computers within network. Number 5. Supercomputer, a high-performance computing system used for specific tasks such as scientific research and weather forecasting. History of computer development in Indonesia. The development of computer in Indonesia began in the 1990s when education institutions and business started adopting this technology. Since then, computer usage has expanded across various sectors. With the advent of the internet and portable devices, computers have become more accessible and widely used by the general public. The future of computer and digital technology. Technology advancements are leading computers toward a more sophisticated future. Progress in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things will further transform the way we interact with computers. In the future, computers are predicted to become more intuitive and able to adapt to user needs in real time. In today's modern life, computers have become tools that are inseparable from human activities. They play a crucial role in helping us complete work, study, and even enjoy daily entertainment. Before we dive deeper into how computers work and what they use for, it's a good idea to first get to know the physical parts that make a computer function. So, let's start by discussing hardware, or this physical component of a computer. In the computer, system consists of a series of physical electronic components. Hardware is divided into several types based on the book Guide to Learning Hardware and Software introduced by Yudanto and Com. Every computer is composed of various models of hardware, which are generally categorized into four sections. Output hardware. Output hardware is a device in a computer that functions to store and produce data from with the computer. This data can be transferred to other connected devices. Examples include monitor for displaying visual, printer for printing documents, and speaker for producing sound. Output device help user see or hear the result of computer processing. Input hardware. Input hardware is a physical device that functions to enter data or information into the computer in the form of files, image, video, and audio. This device allows users to interact with the computer and provide the necessary data for processing. A common example of input device include keyboard for typing text, mic for navigation, scanner for digging image, and microphones for record sound. Without input device, the computer would not be able to reverse data from the user. Processing hardware. As the name suggests, processing hardware functions to process data and information entered into the computer. This device is also known as the core of the computer with the CPU. Being the main component, the execution, instruction, and calculation. Without the hardware, the computer would not be able to perform tasks properly. Characteristic of hardware has a physical form, and the main difference between software and hardware is the form. Software can only be seen as a display, without a physical shape, where hardware has a tangible form that can be seen and touched. Generally solid. Some examples of hardware include keyboard, printer, scanner, and other solid devices. Located at the outset of a computer, most hardware is found externally on the computer. However, not all hardware. Externally, some components such as RAM and CPU are located inside the computer. Acts as a bridge between user and software. Hardware serves as a device that connects user to software by receiving input and then providing output to the user. Function of hardware. Providing output. The primary function of hardware to deliver output to the user after the input processing has been complete. Receiving input. Another function of hardware is the receive input. In addition to providing output, hardware also processes the input sent by the user. An example of hardware include monitor, CPU, hard drive, keyboard, camera, and microphone. The conclusion about hardware is that it's physical component of the computer that is essential for carrying out computer functions of such as input, processing, output, storage, and communication. Hardware consists of various types, including input device, output device, processing device, storage device, and additional peripherals, as with its own specific function.